Hi guys! Let's learn how to capture screenshots with Selenium WebDriver. Let's open Test Utilities class and add three methods here. So first method, protected void take screenshot method that receives file name as the input variable. The first line in this method is actually taking screenshot functionality using WebDriver's getScreenshotAs method. So let's import file screen file import file from Java input output. Then take screenshot class we import from Selenium, and output type file we also import from Selenium. The next lane is path, where we will store our screenshots. As I said at the very beginning of this course, we are building this project as the real-life example. So here, instead of hard-coding path to one folder, I added some smart way to create path. And when we run many test suites with many tests, it will be easy to find specific screenshot we need depending on what test, what method we executed. Now let me explain how the path is created. So first of all, system get property user directory. You already know what this method does. Basically, it finds where the project is located on our computer. Then, after file separator, we will put our screenshot in test output folder. So test output folder in our project. Under test output, we will create new folder screenshots. Then under screenshots, we will create another folder and we will use getTodaysDate for the name of that folder. So let's scroll down and look at two new methods here. So we have getTodaysDate and getSystemType methods. So they both will use simple date format to return current date in the specific format. So getTodaysDate will return current date in format year, month, date, and getSystemTime will return hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds. So if today's at the time of the recording is October 13th, then under screenshot we will have a new folder in this format. So 2018 1013. Then under this folder, a new folder with test suite name, which we will take from the actual test suite file, then test name from test suite file, and test method name from test class. And then the name of our screenshot with the extension PNG, and so we do not overwrite screenshots with the same name if we run same test suite more than one time in the same day, we will add system time. So we will keep all the screenshot we take for as many times as we run this current test suite during the day. You will see it later. I will run same test 2 times, so you will see. Now let me show you these 3 variables: test suite name, test name, and test method name. These 3 variables I created in base test. So far at the beginning of the test I just created the variables, but so far they are empty. Now we need to add some values, and we will do it in our setup method. So first thing, before Chrome string browser variable, let's add method variable to our setup method, and let's import method from Java lang reflect. And here at the end of this method, at the end of our setup method, I added 3 new lines of code to assign values to our new class level variables. So first, test suite name, and we will use our test context. We will get suite and then get name. So this will return when we go to our source test resources, test suite, and let's open positive login test. So this will return this name. So if we run positive login test suite, then this name will be assigned to our test suite name variable. Then test name, we already have test name created here. We use it to assign to our log manager, so our log are written to console with the test name. And then test method name, so here we will use our method variable to get name. So this will return our method name from test class. So now we can save our base test, and these variables are now available because they are protected. They are now available to our take screenshot method. And last step in our take screenshot method, we need to put our file in the specified location. So we will use file utilities, but we need to import it, we need to add new dependency to be able to use this file utils class. So let's search for Apache Commons IO Maven dependency, and here's the URL where to get it from. And let's click on last dependency 2.6. Let's copy. And in our project, go to pom.xml file and paste our new dependency. Ctrl-Shift-F to format our code. Wait for workspace to build, and then go back to test utilities, hover over file utils, and now you see you can import it from Apache Commons IO. And also let's catch exception from Java input out. Now our take screenshot method is ready. Let's use it in some tests. So since I already opened positive login test, let's use our screenshot method in our positive login test. So let's go to login pages, login page test, positive login test, and let's add few screenshots here. So let's add first screenshot after we opened welcome page. So take Control space after suggestion, take screenshots, and let's name it welcome page opened. So since we opened welcome page, let's name welcome page opened, and let's copy. So we do not type login page. Yeah, let's do here. So login page opened, and then after we submitted username and password, secured page opened, let's add another screenshot here, and let's add a name, secure page opened. So let's save, and let's run our positive login test. Right click, run as, test ng suite. Here's the browser, welcome page, login page, username, password, secure area page. Test finished, test passed. Now let's go to test output folder. So far there is no screenshot folder here because we need to right click on test output and click refresh. And as soon as we refreshed, we see screenshots folder here. Under screenshot folder we have folder with today's date. Under today's date we have folder with the name of our test suite we executed, then name of our test class, this one, and then name of our method login test, this one. So that's how we can navigate and find specific screenshot we need. And here we have 3 screenshots. So 10:42 in the morning, 53 seconds, 791 milliseconds. So this will assure that each new screenshot will be created with the different unique name. And because we have date here, if it's exactly the same time but tomorrow, then this screenshot will be under new folder 2018 1014. So it will never be overwritten by the older screenshot will never get overwritten. Now let's run this test again. So you see that 3 new screenshots with new unique names will be added. So where's our test suite? Resources, positive login test suite, run as, and let's execute same test again. Test executed one more time. Let's go to our login test folder, right click, refresh, and we see 3 new screenshots. So this time 10:44 in the morning. And we can open, so right click and open with system editor to use our software installed on our computer to look at the screenshot. And we can see welcome page, login page, and secure area page. This is how easy it is to take screenshots during test execution. Basically, I created 3 new methods, and then I use take screenshot method in any test I want. If you want to learn more about test automation, learn how to build full stack test automation framework with Selenium WebDriver, check out my Selenium tutorials on Udemy. You can use this promo code to get any of my courses with discounted price. If you want to get my course free, just bring your friend, let them use this coupon to purchase my course, and I will give you any of my courses free.